Okay, I'm somewhere close. What I should have done, really and truly, was take and put a little mark right here with a marker, and then mark the harmonic balancer right here, so that when I got it up top dead center over here by sticking a screwdriver in. Okay, I'm pretty close. It's up. Now either it's going to be on the down stroke or I'm right dead center. Okay. That's how you do it. Don't stick a screwdriver in there and just start twisting without holding it, because you won't feel that screwdriver start pushing up. Alright. That's for the newbies, fellas. I know the rest of y'all that know what's going on, you pretty much got an idea of what's happening. So now I can put the spark plug back in and then go get my gear puller, which I don't feel like doing it today because it's going to try to storm on me. I'll only get to work on this thing every couple hours, and then there's just some days I don't feel like fooling with it. But I got one bolt right in the very back on the top of the bell housing over here to take off for the transmission, and I got one that's right here on the side to take off, and then the left bolt on the transmission mount, and the cross member if I take that out. But I'm going to try to slide it back so I can get that thing off without taking that cross member out. So let's not add those. So there's two, and the one on the tail transmission mount, and then the two that hold the carrier bearing. So that's two, and then two, and one. 5 bolts. Hey, Trudy.